Hello everyone, how you all doing today? So before we start formulating, I decided to show you guys this beautiful review that I have here. Guys, look at her skin. This is her before. Look at the pigment on her skin, and her skin is not having it at all. She had sunburn, she doesn't have dark spots, but her skin is not glowing and she kind of have a lot of pigment. So this is her after. Guys, look at this beautiful skin. She uses our illuminating glow body set and our lightning glow body oil. So I just thought to let you guys know, if you want to purchase my products, to tell you that my product works. Okay, so guys, this is the base cream that we are going to be using today. So in this case, I'm making 1 liter of whitening face cream. So you can see how the consistency of this base looks like. It's not too thick, neither is it too light. Okay, and this is how I love the consistency of my face cream base. Okay, so you can use whatever base you have in mind or you want to use. Okay, and then I would like to tell you, let's say for example you want to get a base cream for this particular face cream. I would prefer you get a body lotion that is meant for face and body, or you make your base cream yourself. This particular base cream is a lightning base cream. This base cream can actually do a lot of things even without promising it. It can help reduce the appearance of stretch mark, green vein. It's an anti-wrinkle base cream, anti-aging and anti-blemishes. This base cream can lighten the skin and at the same time help with pigmentation, dark spot and discoloration. So it's very effective. So guys, I know that many of you will want to get a good and effective base cream to use, and I will advise, if you want to make this particular product, don't use up to 5 different lightening or whitening face cream. No, that is not the best way to make your product. If you have been doing it before, I will advise you stop it. That might be the reason why your product is not working, because you cannot combine up to 3, 5, 6 different lightning face cream in the likes of Carol Tune, Carol White face cream, BB, whatever, I don't know, those type of creams. Please don't do that. It will corrupt. They will not be able to complement each other, because those face cream actually contains different ingredients. So when you now combine them together, there are some ingredients that are not compatible. Okay, that is not what will make your product more effective when it comes to whitening. Okay, you might just be doing the wrong thing. So I will advise you get just one particular cream. If you are making a large quantity, I would prefer you get a good body lotion that can be used on the face. Okay, so those type of lotions are very versatile. You can use it in different ways. Okay, so you can get those type of face body lotion to use. So this is our first concentrate. Okay, so we are going to be making use of glutacid concentrate. So since we are making 1 liter, I'm going to be using 30 ml of this measuring cup. Okay, so if you're making a smaller quantity, try your best to use either a tablespoon or a teaspoon to measure. The second concentrate is this glutathione super forte. This particular concentrate is actually a very good whitening concentrate that is mild on the face. Okay, so you cannot compare this with skin-free milk. Skin-free milk is not really mild on the face, so this particular one can actually work in place of skin-free milk when it comes to whitening. And then the third concentrate is skin balance. I don't know if you know this particular concentrate. You see this concentrate is good. Okay, this can actually whiten your skin within 21 days. It's super good and very effective, and it's good for promising, especially face products. Okay, so we're going to be adding 30 ml as well. So note that all the product that you're going to be seeing me using in this formulation are carefully selected. So there may be some that will be difficult for you to get. You can reach out to me if you want to purchase all of these ingredients. Okay, and then now this is the first tube you're going to be using. This is Egyptian organic whitening milk. This particular tube is specially formulated for dark spots, pimples, patches, and pigmentation. Very good for treatments. Okay, and it also contains arbutin, giga white, and glutathione. So you can see that this is actually meant for promising. Okay, so We are not using too much tubes that are meant for dermatitis, rashes, and all of that stuff. So guys, you can take a screenshot of this carton if you want to buy it. Okay, so just keep on watching this video. I will advise you watch this video from the beginning to the end, because there are a lot of things that you need to see and learn from. So the third tube, or the second tube, is this nicer lovely advanced original vitamin fairness cream. This cream is specially formulated to give your skin even tone, remove dark circle, remove dark spots, protect your skin from UV sun rays, and smoothens rough skin. This cream can be used directly on the skin. Okay, if you have dark under eye circle, you can actually use this cream. This cream is super good. It works for a lot of things, and also lightens the skin. And then this is the third tube that we have, which is Fair and White So White tube. This particular tube is one of the best tube you can add to your face cream. This is formulated to help lighten your skin, brighten your skin, help get rid of dark spots, brown spots, and also it moisturizes the skin, it unifies the skin, and it gives the skin a radiant look. So if you want your face cream to have this beautiful effect, get this particular tube and include it or incorporate it into your face products. Okay, especially face cream, lightening face cream and whitening face cream. Don't forget, this is the cream, not the gel. It's two type, so we are not using the gel, we are using the cream. And then the fourth tube that we have is this White Express Fast Action Cream Advanced Formula. White Express cream is active against dermatitis, eczema, psoriasis, and also inflammation, and it also helps against allergy reaction. So don't forget, we are using the same measurement in all of our products. Okay, so this White Express tube is super great for whitening, and it also help against allergies. So you can see that this can serve in different ways, especially those people that have sensitive skin. Okay, so these particular tubes will actually help their skin. All right, so and then the next tubes that we're going to be adding is pata tube. You guys know that whenever I'm formulating my face cream, I always use this particular tube. So in this case, you can make use of one full tube. Okay, so I have a little left in this particular one, so I just decided to press that out and then get another one. Okay, so this pata tubes helps in a lot of things. This has served me a lot, like using it directly on my skin, due to some allergy reaction and rashes as well. And it's super mild, it doesn't whiten, but it actually helps to treat the skin. And then the next is glutathione terminal tube. You see this tube, if you are making your face cream and you don't, especially whitening face cream, and you don't have this, I don't know, please always get this particular tubes in your face cream. It has two type. There's another one, I think vitamin C, I think, and this one whitens the skin. And don't forget, all of the tubes that I'm using in this product are all mild. You can google them, do more research about them to know better. Okay, so this is one of the recipe that I normally I would not want to share it with anybody, but because of the love I have for you guys, I just want, there's no need of hiding all of these things. I can always create more and more good recipes. Okay, so this is the only serum that we're going to be adding in this product. This is Light Up Serum. This contains vitamin C, it contains vitamin B, it contains carotene, it contains collagen. This is enriched to protect your skin, to lighten your skin, to moisturize your skin, and also to help revive dry skin. It targets blemishes areas of your skin to unify the complexion and correct the most difficult spots and blackhead on your face. Now this is the oga pata of them all. You see this tube, this oil, this is glutathione ampoules. If you can lay your hands on this particular oil, go ahead and buy it. It's worth the amount. This is not cheap. It's quite expensive. If you are able to get the original one of this, it's quite expensive, but it's worth it because this oil can actually help to lighten your skin. It can give you up to 3 shades, and it also protects your skin against UV rays. It helps with remove blackhead, brightens your complexion, whitens the skin, moisturizing, anti freckles. Like, it actually does a lot of things. Okay, for the fact that it whitens is a plus, and it contains beautiful actives. If you are able to get this, just go through the pack and read it. And when you want to use this in your product, see, I'm doing this illustration because I don't want you guys to make any mistake. If you want to add it in your product, let's say you are making this size of bottle that I'm holding, this is 50 ml container, you want to make that size, you only need just 12 drop. Don't go beyond that, please. 12 drops, that's what I'm showing you guys. This is very, very small. It's like the size of my picking finger, very, very small. Okay, so please don't overuse this. Don't say because it whitens it means that you have to buy 10 of it and pour it in your face cream. No, I don't like abusing serums like this. Please do not abuse it, because this can actually serve you. This can replace up to 3 different serums that you will want to pack inside your face cream or your body lotion. Please do not abuse it. Oh, how else do I need to say? Do not abuse it. And don't forget, this cream is available if you want to get it. It's 12,000 naira, and if you want it, you can go ahead and get it, and it's paired with our illuminating body lotion. So if you want me to select a pack for you, a set of product for you that will work on your skin, you can reach out to me. My number is written on the screen, and also do well to follow our Instagram page at _gorgeous skin. And also, we are going to be having a promising class very, very soon. Let me show you guys the proper way to promise. Don't go and be buying all of this cheap hydroquinone product and be promising it for your clients. Stop doing that though. There are so many beautiful ways that you can promise your product. You can see this face cream, it is not cheap. Go and price all of these things that you saw here, and we are not even talking about the base that I use in these products. We're only talking about the serums and the tubes that you can only see, not the base. Guys, if you want to make this and you are thinking of which base you can use different type of base cream. For example, you can use Derma Plus lotion, because that is actually meant for face and body. You can actually use that to make this cream. You can see the viscosity. Take a good look at the beauty, and this is one thing I forgot to tell you guys. Before I start formulating, I have to check the pH level of my base. That is one thing you should always do. If you are buying your base outside, check the pH level of that base. So when I checked it, I discovered that it was too low, so I have to increase it. So that's the solution that I just added. So you have to make sure that you check the pH level of your base, so that when you formulate it, you can check it again and balance it well. And if it's too low, your product will not work, because the base you use, you didn't check the pH, and now you are done making it, you still did not check it. So how will you know the pH that your final product should be? So always check the pH level of your products and your final products, your base especially. Very, very important. So that's what I always tell people. Promising is not bad. It's just that there are guidelines. You cannot just buy anyhow whitening products and start mixing it together. No, you have to check ingredients. pH matters a lot. And also, you cannot buy up to 5 different face cream, especially all those face cream they say 500, 1000. You now buy like 4 to 5 and mix it together, and now pack different tubes, different no, now that is not what will make your product to work better. No, 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 it will not. Instead, it will spoil your products the more, because there are so many of these cream that cannot complement each other. I believe as a skincare formulator that you are, you should know that there are some actives that cannot be used together. So imagine one face cream contains this active and the other one contains the opponent. So I be opposite, I don't know the English to speak again. So how do you expect the two to work together? So instead, buy just one, or you buy two, or you focus on good lightning body and face lotion, and just be using that. Also, do not forget that our promising class will be coming up pretty soon. And also, if you want to buy our product in wholesale, it's very much affordable and available. And also, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Please, you have to because there's a lot of effort in this video. I love you guys. Bye.